Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 4 of Caliber Life. I'm Zack Lazo and we're back here at Mercer Island where last week Renee and I gave you a sneak peek tour of this massive project. Well, this week, luckily, thank God, Grant, our design and renovation extraordinaire, is going to be here to show us what do we do to create this into an $8 million property. Grant should be pulling up soon and I cannot wait to see what he has in store for us. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up,
Good
Zack?
to see you, dude.
Good to see you, man.
Dude, I'm so happy you're here.
Yeah.
I know we've done a lot of big projects in our day, but this one definitely takes a cake. So tell me, Grant, how are we going to get from where we are today to $8 million?
Well, first off, let me start off by saying this house is incredible, and I see a lot of vision here. Like we can make this thing an $8 million house.
I hope so. I hope so.
So first thing I'm seeing is a great opportunity to add 900 plus square feet to this house, which in this area, square footage is king.
Yes.
So by bringing the second story over the garage, if we can get 2 bedrooms and a bathroom up here for kids' bedrooms, secondary guest bedrooms, it's gonna add a ton of value to us. And right now, this is wasted square footage. So that's the first thing I wanna do. Second thing is we need to get this house to a 2018 modern built custom style home.
Yeah.
And my vision for that, first off, is take care of this mess.
Yeah. This is a lot more like Jumanji than it does a modern build.
Yeah, and behind Jumanji is this huge view of the city.
Yeah.
So my vision here is to see us take all of this out. None of it's load bearing, it's all design. We're gonna get rid of this, and the only thing we need to do is add a 1 8x8 steel post at the corner just to support that roof. Other than that, everything goes, and you're gonna be able to see right through these windows into the downtown.
I love that idea.
The views of downtown.
I love that idea because the buyer, when they come down that driveway, they really just need to be seeing the downtown view. That's a great idea. I love it.
So the next thing I want to do to this front entry area here is, my vision for this is to put some modern glass garage doors in and do some natural wood siding around those garage doors, and then do some some hard panel siding.
Yeah.
You know, the big panels that you stick up, they got the
board.
metal, hardy panel. Stick those up all along the face of this. And then also all this brown paint around the wood, repair that and get it to a nice black paint so everything really pops.
And we see a lot of concrete around here. What about rock? Is rock in anymore? Brick? We doing any brick here?
Not for this style home, because this is modern. We're using the nice sharp lines, clean materials. Modern rock and stone is more craftsman, and that's not what we're going for on this style of home. Actually, if you look, the concrete's dirty, but it's actually in really good shape.
Yeah.
So after a really nice acid wash and power washing on it, it's going to shine and it's going to look brand new.
All right. Well, let's go take a look inside and see your vision in there.
Yeah, let's go. I'm excited to see.
So you got this great view here, but instantly you're blocked by all this wood. So what's the plan?
Well, when this house was built in 1995, separated rooms was in, not in 2018.
Yeah.
First thing we want to do is blow out these walls, open it up. I want to be able to walk into this house and see my lake views and my city views. And I want to be able to see those from all angles. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
All right. Well, Grant, what are we going to do with these stairs? Is there any way to kind of level it off just so it feels like one continuous space?
Well, actually, Zach, we could level it off, but for cost reasons, I don't think that's the best thing to do, because if we brought this 1 foot elevation and we brought everything up, we're not going to be able to save these windows. That exterior door is going to have to be raised up. The fireplace is going to have to be raised up. This one change is going to affect this whole room. And even though we have $1.5 million budget, we still have to spend it wisely and spend it in the right places.
Yeah.
Because that's going to go fast on a house like this.
Yeah.
So let me tell you what we can do, though.
Sure.
We'll pull out this wall and give us a nice open concept, and we'll pull these steps all the way over to these steps so they all kind of flow together.
Nice.
So then it's just going to naturally, you're going to walk down into your sunken living room. And again, this is going to be a formal living room.
Yeah, well, especially if they're just going to go straight for that view, that's what's going to help sell this house.
Exactly.
Yeah.
People are going to walk in, they're going to go to the kitchen, they're going to go upstairs to their bedrooms, or maybe the kitchen table.
All right, so we got this room figured out. I feel great about this, but what about downstairs? The layout, That pool room, it's absolutely horrid. What are we supposed to do with that?
Yes, actually, I'm really glad you brought up downstairs. Downstairs is so important because that's your entertaining space. That's where you're gonna be hanging out and walking out to the lake. So I've got some really good ideas for downstairs, so let's go check it out.
All right, man, let's go.
First thing we're gonna do, Zach, is we're gonna take out this wall. Sight lines are important. I wanna be able to walk downstairs, and first thing I see is smack dab in my face is the lake, the water there. So this wall has gotta go. And then once we get this wall out of here, we're gonna actually install a full-on kitchen downstairs. Because this is where you're hanging out. This is where you're going down to the water, you're getting on your boat, you're enjoying the view, you're entertaining. And when you live on the lake, you're gonna be entertaining.
Absolutely. Now, what about the pool room?
Yeah, so the pool's gotta go.
Pool's gotta go? No indoor swimming?
The pool has got to go. So whoever built this home back in 1995 obviously was an avid swimmer and wanted to swim laps in their home. But that's just not something that a new buyer is gonna look forward to. So what we're gonna actually do there is we're gonna turn this into a badass media room.
Absolutely,
we're gonna put a projector, we're gonna put stadium style seating in there, full surround sound speakers. It is gonna be your ultimate video media room that you're gonna hang out, family movies. It's gonna be awesome.
Video room. Doesn't have to be a man cave. It could be a cave that anyone can enjoy.
You're right. This is gonna be a family house.
Awesome. What's the plan here? Are you gonna be able to see all the way through to the other room, or what's the plan?
No, actually, so once this wall is out, that back wall is gonna stay, and we're actually gonna install that full kitchen along there. So it's gonna be kitchen, turn the corner, you're gonna have some more cabinets, storage for entertaining, but then you're gonna have this whole large space that you're gonna be able to hang out, maybe have a pool table there, couches, big screen TV up there, and this is all gonna be opened up and you're gonna be entertaining straight out to the lake. So,
awesome. All right, so it sounds like we got this all figured out, but we still, looking out there, we still got it all blocked by all the bushes and everything. So what's the plan with out there?
Yeah, I've actually got a great plan, and let's go check it out.
All right.
What is going on with these huge pillars blocking our view?
Yeah.
Well, actually, two of these are pointless. This one in the middle can go, and this one right here can go. And that's gonna open up our view a ton. So what we're gonna do with the ones that stay though, we're gonna actually just convert those to a nice steel modern beam, post that's gonna go up and connect to the deck. And those plants, we're gonna chop all those huge overgrown plants.
Yeah,
we gotta get rid of them.
They gotta go.
So again, modern plants, lower, 2019 look. This opens up a ton, and it's gonna be an amazing, entertaining space.
That's gonna be huge. And now you can actually see downtown Bellevue and the lake. That's gonna be awesome. All right, Grant, I love your plan with this, opening up the view, but I still got one major concern. That dojo upstairs cannot stick around. What's your plan with that?
Yes, master bedrooms, master suites, they're so important. They sell houses. I've got a really, really good plan, so let's go check it out.
Yeah, I'm excited to see it. All right, Grant, you said the money is made in the master suite, but here, I'm up here and I'm looking at this. You got these weird double doors, you got the dojo sliders.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with this to make us all look normal?
Yeah, first things first is when you walk up these stairs, you want to be able to see this view. I mean, this is where the view's the best. We're on the highest level. Let's show it off. So we're going to actually remove these doors, just open it up. And then we've got over here where these sliders are, this is going to remain our office. It's got its private deck. We're going to take these doors out and we're just doing really nice French doors leading into your office space. And to talk about the deck a little bit, right now it's very dated. We're gonna remove all that. We're gonna put a nice modern steel railing in, redo the surface, so it's gonna be dialed in.
Yeah, and once we get rid of these sliders, we still walk into the bedroom here, and we got two doors. What's going on with this over here?
Yeah, so what I'm thinking we do is this space behind us is gonna be given to the new bedrooms, okay? And the bathroom addition. So we're gonna have 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms upstairs with an office. So we're getting conforming back.
That's huge.
So through this door, we're gonna make a huge 2 big master his and her closets, right? They're gonna be about 12 foot by 12 foot. So walk in, custom cabinets. And then through this door over here is gonna be our master bath. Now, we've got a ton of really good square footage to work with.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep the soaking tub overlooking the water. We're gonna have a huge walk-in shower, about a 12-foot double vanity sink. So it's gonna be grand, it's gonna be bright, it's gonna be open, it's gonna be you and the lake. It's gonna be spectacular.
The biggest question, is it going to be $8 million?
Oh, it'll be $8 million. It is going to be something that people walk into and just immediately think, I have to own this home. I have to be in that bathtub.
Grant, thank you so much for all of this, all your hard work and effort, because now I finally feel 100% confident that we're going to hit that $8 million mark.
Absolutely.
Now, how are you feeling about stuff?
Hungry. Lunch?
Absolutely.